For businesses, corporates and enterprises, managing the pandemic and its aftermath will call for unimaginable levels of creativity, innovation and empathy never seen before in navigating stakeholder, partner and customer relationships amidst new contexts and settings. Intel and Dharana Consulting co-hosted Intel Mobility Services Meet at Avani Orchards, Bangalore to bring together partners, stakeholders and customers on a common green platform that exuded the lushness and serenity of nature as the backdrop and centerpiece, creating a novel space for seamless discussions, business-critical live tech demos, product presentations and customer Q&A sessions held amidst an ambience of camaraderie and bonhomie that radiated homeliness rather than the clinical, stilted and formal settings in which business meetings are typically held.
So I have been working with Pratap for a while now, almost close to 2.5, 3 years, right? And we have been, experimenting about the model of having, customer discussions about strategies, about products, about how to enable the broader ecosystem across different products and services. And we felt that we need to start doing something which is different from being encompassed in a closed room corporate setup, right? And Pratap gave us this idea of, hey, why don't you try out doing the same thing but doing it differently in a much more natural setup. And I kind of like that idea. And here we are at Avani Orchards, fantastic location, middle of nature. And the best part of this environment is, you can talk openly, you can talk within this natural ecosystem, and then have a very meaningful and open discussion with customers, partners, about how we can strategize on products and solutions uniquely to serve end customers. So in my opinion, I have experimented with different setups across the past couple of decades, and I believe that this is the setup that we should strive for. We are still not there yet, but I believe that with such kind of locale and getting customers and partners on the same platform, I think it's a win-win for all. So I would strongly recommend this kind of setup for corporate go-to-market strategy, products and services with partners in this locale. I'm looking forward to more such engaging engagements with customers in the future.
Today, 18th of October 2021 has been a very remarkable day where we've come here at Avani Orchards. This program was spearheaded by Mr. Pratap. It is such a beautiful, environmental friendly, orchards, farmhouse, a beautiful place indeed to kick off the session with Intel, Transo and Linde Praxair. So this has been a much awaited program that we've been looking for, and the environment that we are in today is so natural and has created immense positivity. Unlike hosting this in a conference hall where it has been formal, so here it was so informal, interactive and superbly organized, immaculately organized, I would say. So I wish this function to be taken to a larger audience so that the country towards transportation with technology interventions helps reduce the accidents, enhances the safety, productivity and efficiency for entire road transportation fraternity. Thanks a lot. It's truly been a pleasure, and many thanks Mr. Pratap and team Dharana Consultancy, Linde Praxair, Intel and Transo. Thank you so much.
Social distancing and other safety and hygiene issues are here to stay, as the pandemic and its shadow has still not left us. Can businesses envisage new settings and contexts to put their teams at ease and provide the comfort that nature amply provides in wide open and green spaces?
Hey, my name is Rajiv. I'm a senior product manager with Intel Technology India Private Limited. And over the last couple of years, we've been hit by the pandemic and we've been confined to our homes, working from home and taking meetings from home, customer sessions, everything from home and online. And obviously that has had its own set of challenges. Today I'm at this place, Avani Orchards, a beautiful, serene locality, which is I came in here for a customer meeting which was arranged by Mr. Pratap in this location. So it is great to finally have a outdoor setting, and the good thing about it is, of course, being able to meet customers face to face. That enabled us to have a conversation similar to what we would do in the pre-pandemic times, showcase our products and demos directly to the customer. And considering the nature of our work, that was extremely helpful and useful with respect to connecting with our customers. And the good thing about it is, even though we are still not out of the pandemic, such a setting enables you to get all the benefits of face-to-face interaction, but at the same time keeping the safety aspects and the other related aspects in mind, considering the pandemic is not completely behind us. So a great setting to safely interact with your customers and partners, and for any kind of events or interactions within company or within team. But at the same time making sure that there's no compromise on safety, and this kind of an outdoor setting always helps to that. So had a great experience here today and looking forward to coming back again.
Can we imagine a new and emerging chapter in the history of business, wherein it will be possible for business meetings to be conducted barefoot as we tread through rich and dewy grass, surrounded by the sound of breezes that gently waft through wooded trees, flora of all colors, birds chirping and the buzzing of bees, all of it connecting us to the earth, its bounty and our roots.
Hi, my name is Anu Balaji. I'm from Chennai. I'm the co-founder of Transo Digital. So we came here today to Avani Orchards in Bangalore to meet one of our prospective clients. So we drove down from Chennai to Bangalore, the long journey, and this time we entered here and until now, it's really been a great experience, from meeting clients in a closed space and coming to a very open space like this, it's been an enthralling experience. So we were able to see the clients, potential partners in a different way. It opens up, a lot of discussion where, in the closed walls, you confine to some set of topics, or discussions, that go around, and it's not very organic in a way. But I got a chance to meet them, walk around, walking barefooted, that's something we have forgotten, all the shoes, formals, and that's been the takeaway point of the meeting today. So I definitely love to come back here. So all the meetings going forward, not just meeting your clients, but I would love to have my team here, and have a one-day experience or a two-day experience, for them to be here and and collaborate with each other, which would definitely give them a different way to work with each other. So I'm meeting these clients for the first time, but it's been like you're meeting a long-term friend. You have different age gaps, but this place and the nature around it gave me a different experience. So definitely worth it.
Can we find novel ways to present highly technical product and technology demos to key potential customers and pivotal industry partners in creative and novel ways, and have them respond with inspiration of how your company's solutions can help their business, as nature's soothing, refreshing and serene ambience works its magic and creates a space for clarity and openness.
So this happens to be a meeting with one of our big potential customers, and being post-pandemic situation, there is a lot of restrictions to get into our offices. We have to check the vaccination status of all the people, and there is always a lot of paranoia sitting inside a closed spaces and needless to say, Bangalore traffic is not at all conducive to reach to the venue on time and stress-free. The biggest takeaway for me coming to a place like this is, number one, it's truly distraction-free, and number two, the flow of the spaces around this area is very natural and very easy to communicate without the use of gadgets like microphones and amplifiers. People could hear each other very well. We shared coffee and tea and food and discussed everything. I was telling my colleagues that in the past 6 months, no matter how many demonstrations we did, we never had this much engaged customers asking more detailed questions and giving us more valuable feedbacks. I think that to me is a key takeaway, that you should do such meetings in a place like this.
Hi, today we went into Avni Orchids basically for the one meetings or interaction with the group. And it's a fantastic experience over here. The climate is awesome.
Can we bring the concept of play, which is vital to creativity, and reimagine business meetings and interactions in new formats, apply fresh perspectives, and create new pathways for conducting business without detracting from the envisaged outcomes, growth, and sustainability, which all businesses strive for?
Today we are here at Avani Orchids. Basically it was supposed to be a meeting, but I should confess that it was more like a picnic sort of a thing rather than a meeting, because of the natural things around here and the ambience and of course the hospitality that has been provided here. I never felt that this is a business meeting. So it was a unique experience, and I look forward to have more such picnics rather than business meetings in this type of environment. I do recommend to everybody as well.
The pandemic has brought with it many unknowns and variables, and we may be entering a very challenging time for both sellers and buyers. But businesses will continue and customers will still have needs. Recognizing the fact and adapting to these changes by transforming approaches, methodologies, and contexts will ensure continued success. At Dharna Consulting, we help you do just that.